All right, welcome to Dutch Clutch Dragway. Desert Rat Victor, Elevation Dave, and myself. We're going to do some best in show here. Number 1 is Maniac Motorsports. Number 2 is Stick Dog. Number 3, Just in Time. Look at the cool graphics. Number 4 is Zamac Speed Shop from Wisconsin. Number 5 is Scorchin' Scooter, new guy from Wisconsin. Number 6 is Alva 1370. Number 7 says right there, Lone Wolf, good stripes. Number 8, E67 Dirt. Number 9, new guy Benjamin 37 with a stock twin mill Gen E. Number 10 is Zizzer Prime. I like how the wheels fade from front to back. Silver in the front, black in back. Number 11, Stone Ponies. Minnesota car. Number 12 is Wild Willie G. Number 13, Tortoise King with a little bit of a tortoise shell look. Number 14 is Iceman. Nice looking car. Number 15 is Mark Russell. Number 16, Spam Holder. Number 17, Billy's Midway Racing. Nice job on the stripes. Number 18, a newcomer from out by Billy's Midway, is Ronster. Number 19 is HSL Motorsports. And number 20 is Kitterman Speed Shop. I want to make sure and show that the car matches the picture. He's even got twin mill rookies on the card and his logo, Kitterman Speed Shop. Twin mill Gen E. All right, guys. There's our lineup. You know what? I'm going to go down it one more time with the calling it out, who they are. Let me get my sheet of paper. Go down the line again. Number 1, Maniac. Number 2, Stick Dog. Number 3, Just in Time. Number 4, Zamac. Number 5, Scorchin' Scooter. Number 6, Alva 1370. Number 7, Lone Wolf. Number 8, E67 Dirt. Number 9, Benjamin 37. Number 10, Zizzer Prime. Number 11, Stone Ponies. Number 12, Wild Willie G. Number 13, Tortoise King. Number 14, Iceman. Number 15, Mark Russell. 16, Spam Holder. 17, Billy's Midway Racing. 18 is Ronster. 19 is HSL Motorsports. And number 20, Kitterman Speed Shop. All right, guys, I'm going to do my best to get this uploaded so you guys can see it, and appreciate your votes. Thank you.